Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be doing a new year reset and I'm so excited. I just made me some coffee to give me some more energy. But y'all, let me tell y'all what just happened. I was talking to my mom in the kitchen. I had my phone in my hand. My phone fell in the dishwater. I just put it in rice, so I'm praying it's okay, but I don't know because I started to see a line forming through it and I literally just got my screen fixed like a few months ago. Yeah, I don't have time. It's okay. I need to do some laundry. I'm gonna take down all of my Christmas decor because Christmas is over sadly, and put back up my regular room decor. I'm gonna clean my room. I need to do a little closet clean out too because like all this stuff I don't wear, shoes I don't wear, 'cause I got new stuff for Christmas, so anything old that I don't wear I could just, you know, donate that to someone else or to Goodwill, which I think is good. I'm gonna create a vision board and then talk about my goals for 2026 of what I want to accomplish and what I want the Lord to do in my life. But first, let's go do this laundry and get it out the way. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take down all of my Christmas decor, and I brought out all of my old room stuff so that I could put everything back where it goes. But we're gonna take down all the Christmas decor. I'm so sad. I love Christmas time. And then we are going to just get my room together after that. So start putting back my original room stuff and then wiping down my, actually no, we're gonna take down Christmas decor, wipe down my surfaces, and then put my regular room stuff back on. But I'll put my bedding back on first because that's like easy, you know. But let's take down the Christmas decor. Okay, my bed is stripped. All of my Christmas stuff is gone. So sad. I'm going to change those out too. But all of my Christmas stuff is gone. So now let's put up my regular bedding. I'll keep all of my other decor in here. And I'll just end up putting my Christmas decor in this as well. Okay, I put all the rest of my room decor stuff on my bed for now because I'm going to take down all of this and start wiping down my desk, wipe down my end table, my mirrors, and over there. Yo, I have to throw one of my favorite candles away. This one, I actually got this one from Five Below. It was a kiwi cucumber, but one day it fell and you see like the glass had cracked and it went inside the candle. And I still have so much left and it's glass inside the candle. But I was like, I'm not gonna light it because I'm not trying to take myself out. So we gotta throw her away. Okay guys, so the next thing I need to do is take out all of my Christmas stuff and throw the boxes away. Or I actually want to keep one box, but throw the boxes in the garbage and start organizing where I want it to go. So, like, thinking about the wrapper. I got a Kate Spade wallet. How cute. But yeah, doing stuff like that. And my sister got me a Louis Vuitton purse. Keeping the box. And, yeah, I'm gonna take these out. She also got me some New Balances. I'm actually gonna sit up here because I need to clean my closet out too. And I'll add those in. And then these are my skincare and stuff. So I'm gonna actually sit this up here. So I need to organize my little thingy right here. My room is done. The next thing I'm gonna tackle is my closet. And y'all look, my door is off the hinge. My closet door. So I gotta see if my mom can call someone to come and fix that. Cause oh my gosh. But I'm gonna just declutter, like, you know, the shoes and stuff I don't wear. Look through my clothes, which I think I wear all my clothes. I barely have any, so yeah. And then just, you know, just fix it and just like make it look more presentable. So we're gonna start with my shoes. I was gonna say clothes, but I need to take all my shoes. Like I need to sweep out my closet because she's a little dirty too. So let's do that. Okay guys, so my camera had died, but I fixed my shoes. I straightened out my shoes. So now I'm going to organize my clothes and put them different places. And then I fixed this part too up here, and I just gotta fix this side and then do this. But let's do this. Okay guys, my closet is finished. She looks neat and clean. I got everything organized. I just love it. But yes, so my closet is done, thank God. Hey guys, good morning. It is the next day. It is 8:24. I've made me some coffee. Yesterday I cleaned up, I decluttered all of my stuff. So today's a more chill day. I am going to create a vision board for 2026. I love creating these and I love just seeing them visually. I'm a visual person, so I like seeing them and seeing what I can work towards and what things I want to accomplish, and you know, if the Lord allows me to accomplish it, like what I want to accomplish. And then I also want to write down some 2026 goals that I want to set for myself, and they may not be again what God wants for me, but this is just goals, and obviously they can change throughout the year and everything, but it literally is nothing like too big. Let me show you guys. It's literally a small little page. Like, because again, like I said, it changes throughout the year. I didn't set any goals for 2025. I didn't, and I was just going with the flow, which is okay, but I want to like at least write down something that I want to look forward to for the new year, which I'm very, very excited, you guys, for the new year. Like, I can't believe this. Like, 2025 is almost over. This year went by so fast, and it's just like okay, crazy. I'm gonna show you guys how my MacBook home screen looks, and then we'll like do my vision board. And I know I put my vision board, like I normally sit and do it, but yeah, I didn't do it this time, so I'm gonna do it like on my computer, so when I open my laptop, see it, and when I keep my laptop open, I can see it. So how my MacBook home screen looks, it just says Jesus is King, which I love this, but I want to create a, like I said, a vision board for this, and I'm going to keep this one obviously, so yeah. But I'm just gonna create a vision. Canva and get my stuff ready. And obviously on Pinterest, I use Pinterest as well. Pinterest has the most cute, like aesthetic pictures ever. I love Pinterest. So I'm gonna scroll on Pinterest for a little bit and then see what I wanna save and everything, and then start creating my vision board. Okay, so I titled it 2026 Vision Board, and I have some pictures that I found that I loved, and I saved it to a board. And so I'm gonna go to Canva and create my vision board. Finished my vision board. This is how it looks. So I have one section that says faith, for my, you know, my walk with the Lord. Then I have personal, and then I have travel, places I want to travel. Then I have finances, like I want to make money from YouTube, get my credit score up, you know. And then I have like aesthetic, like quotes that I love. Sitting on the floor because I'm going to read you guys goals that I wrote down for the new year for 2026. Like I said, it's very small. I got personal and social because I think like, that's it for me. Personal is I want to grow my relationship with God more, like, you know, get up, read my Bible more, pray more, and just strengthen my walk with him because I need to do that. I want to start journaling more. I finished one journal, but I want to start, you know, writing out everything, you know, instead of holding things in, because I tend to do that sometimes. I'll hold stuff in instead of just writing it out and just releasing it. Eat healthier because I eat garbage, y'all. Like, I'm small, but I'm very unhealthy, and I need to like eat more fruits and vegetables, drink more water, and just, yeah, get my gut health back together because it's mostly my gut. Like, my stomach hurts a lot, and I know it's because of the stuff that I'm eating, and I know I'm like, girl, you gotta get yourself back together. Get a newer car. Like, I got a new car last year. My mom blessed someone with her car, so me and my mom have been sharing mine, but I want to get a newer car so I can give my mom my car. I want to travel more. I went 2 places this year. I went to Orlando and I went to Georgia, but I want to like go out the country. I know this upcoming year me and my friend are planning to go out the country, so I'm praying that that happens, and I'll do a vlog and all of that. That's gonna be so much fun. I'm praying like, Lord, please, I would love to do that. So me and her are planning that, but you'll see some. For socials, like social media, I want to grow 5,000 on YouTube. I'm at 1,600 right now, but I need to get on my Zoom. I need to grow. I want to grow. I want to grow 5,000 on Instagram and TikTok as well. I know Instagram I'm at 1,700. TikTok I'm at 1,600. But I've been growing a lot on TikTok because I just got done doing Vlogmas. So your girl, I've been gaining some followers, and I'm like, period. And I want to post twice a week on like all my platforms. I post, like, I know for the month of December I only posted once a week because I was doing Vlogmas. So I was posting twice, but I was posting like long form content, 1 video a week, and then doing my reels like every single day. And the same with Instagram and, you know, TikTok. But I think Instagram has become kind of boring. That's why I don't really be on Instagram. I just post pictures and leave. I don't really post the videos, but like, yeah. But TikTok and YouTube, I want to be on my Zoom. I want to post a lot more. But yeah, so that is my reset for 2026, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And we're gonna have a great year, y'all. We're gonna have an amazing year. It's gonna be great. But I love you guys so much. Thanks for sticking around and watching, and subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love y'all. Bye.